Hi, I'm Peter Hawley, President CEO of Fabled Copper Corp, and today I'd like to tell you about the UAV drone mission on the Bronson property, Book 6 Copper Occurrence. The project is comprised of the Neil property, the Toro property, and the Bronson property located in northern British Columbia. To date, we have reported on 14 copper occurrences, related drone UAV missions, and ground geophysics on the Neil property. This completes the 2021 work on the Neil, and now we will be reporting on the 2021 work on the Bronson property to the south of the Neil. The Bronson property comprises 4 mineral tenors covering approximately 2,524 hectares, where the key objectives of the 2021 work program were to, number 1, carry out field campaigns consisting of reconnaissance prospecting across the Bronson claims. 2, complete a focused program at the Book 6 vein target consisting on detailed sampling, very low frequency electromagnetics and ground magnetics geophysical surveys, and a UAV photogrammetry survey. Number 3, conduct alteration mineral mapping and target using visible near infrared VNIR, shortwave inferred SWIR, and thermal inferred TIR, advanced spaceborne thermal emissions and reflection radiometer, and you probably have heard of that as ASTER, and this is a multispectral satellite data. A total of 56 person days were spent on the property with 199 samples taken on the 7 areas prospected, which are the Book 6, the Book 9, the Book 10, the 428 Central, the 428 South, PJ 105, and PJ 100. We will begin our discussion of the Bronson property with the Book 6 property, where an unmanned aerial vehicle, a UAV, photogrammetry survey was conducted over the Book 6 vein target on August 14, 2021. The purpose of the UAV photogrammetry survey was to generate high-resolution photogrammetry datasets for the vein target to better understand bedrock controls on the copper mineralization. Number 2, generate high-resolution DTM to assist with 3D modeling of the targets. Number 3, generate baseline imagery to record current status of surface disturbance at sites that will be actively explored in coming years. And the data products generated included 3 to 23 centimeter resolution orthophotogrammic surveys, plus digital surface models, DSMs, and digital terrain models. Hillshade models were also generated for the Book 6 target. Ground control points, which were acquired at the same time as a UAV survey, will later be used for references. Equipment used to carry out the UAV photogrammetry surveys consisted of a GJ1 Phantom 4 Pro version 2 optical 20 megapixel camera drone with both a mechanical shutter and an upgraded Rover L1-L2 global navigation satellite system. This is also referred to as a GNSS receiver. A multi-frequency SUNEV G10 base station was set to allow for corrections of the UAV rover receiver location information. A GNSS base station was set up in the center of the mapping area prior to the survey. The area was traversed on foot to conduct line-of-sight photogrammetry surveys on August 14, 2021. Ground control points and data were acquired during the surveys, and 4 terrain following UAV missions were carried out to survey the Book 6 target. A total of 861 photographs were acquired during the surveying, and the final GSDs, or the resolution, were 3.02 centimeters for the Othor mosaic and 6.04 centimeters for the digital surface model, and the final spatial resolution of the DSM. This is dependent on the level of detail in point cloud generation. For the Book 6 survey area, a finer resolution DSM was generated due to the more subtle relief. Data products generated included 3 cm resolution color orthophoto mosaics, digital surface models, and digital terrain models. Hillshade models were also generated for each target area. For the hillshade model, an illumination of 315 degrees was applied with 6 cm resolution. Survey grade accuracy for the final model's horizontal accuracy was 3 to 6 centimeters, and the final model vertical accuracy was 6 to 18 centimeters. As you can see, the data generated was used for in-field targeting of visual copper occurrences on the color orthophoto, and due to the 3 cm resolution, this led to field examination of the mineralization and the sampling of the Book 6 vein, where a total of 113 samples were collected as a first pass evolution. Note the resolution and structural details standing out in relief. Going forwards, we will be using the results of the data gathered by the UAV drone mission in the 2022 field season, and the field crew will further evaluate the Book 6 copper occurrence. Additional releases on the Book 6 sampling, ground geophysics, and structural interpretation on the property will be forthcoming in the following weeks. Follow us as we explore for fabled green copper in northern British Columbia.